Have a look at this. This interior has crocodile leather all over the seats, even on the steering wheel and on the roof. Ever seen that before? You've even got red carbon fiber here all over the car. This is one of one by Fab Design. That's a LaFerrari just sitting there, 918. We've got a Senna over there, but where it gets special is with this car. I'm going to show you what this button does. Come with me. This is the Koenigsegg Regera, and this is called Ghost Mode. Watch this. Come on, that's pretty cool, right? This is the first car in the world that can close all the body parts together at the click of a button, and that is called auto skim. Now look at where the key goes in. It's actually magnetic, like that, and it just sits there. Now if you come around here, it's actually got a 5-litre twin-turbo V8. It produces 1,500 horsepower. What is super rare about this car is that it has no gearbox, and it actually just has one drive mode, a complete linear acceleration. Look at this beautiful stitching in here. Right, let's keep going. We've got a P1 here. We've got a Bugatti Veyron. We have a 488 piece recliner. We have another P1. How crazy! And then we have another Bugatti Veyron, but it is actually pimped by Mansory. This is crazy! Look at this. This is all a new body on top here. They've replaced so many panels on this car. It's unbelievable. There's only 2 of these cars in the world. All right, look at this. Wow, what an interior. And then we come around the back. Oh, look at these exhausts. That is cool. So they've really replaced so many parts on this car. Mansory edition. Oh.